This is a college management system. This site we have developed by using the framework of Coordinator with a basic language of PHP on the backend of MySQL. This helps to manage activities in the college and gives the overall idea of the entire college management application. First we are going to the login page. Here you can be able to log in CMS using the appropriate username and password. After login, you can see the dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you can see the menu bar. Here, the various possibilities of CMS are separated by each modules. The various modules in this application are front office, staff, student, department, daybook account, examination, transport, fee, alumni, SMS, users, account. And on the middle of the screen, you can see the calendar. On the top of the calendar, you have an option for setting events that named as event schedule. The scheduled event can be displayed on the calendar. And on the right side of the screen, you can see the details of total number of students and attendance details of the student, total number of staffs and attendance details of staffs for the particular day. In all pages, you can see the link for logout and Mr. Admin link to change the settings of the profile.
First we are going to the front office module. Here we include the front office detail of a college management system in which you can see 6 sub-modules: prospectus sale, visitors, calls, general enquiry, courier service and calendar planning. In prospectus sale module, you can see 3 options: prospectus list, add prospectus and prospectus report. In add prospectus, you can see various fields for entering the prospectus detail. The fields are name, place, address, phone number, email ID, date and price of the prospectus, in which we can set the validation for appropriate field also. By submitting the prospectus detail through add prospectus button, you can enter the details to the list page. Here there is also an option for edit and delete details. Then filter by date option is used for filtering the details by date, in which you can see 2 fields, from date and to date, for filtering. Then prospectus report option is also there to list the details of prospectus purchasing year and total money earned by the prospectus sale. Next we are moving to the visitors module. Here you can enter the details of visitor. Here you can see 2 options, add visitor and visitors list. Through add visitor option, you can enter the details like visiting purpose, date, etc. You can enter the visitors list into the list. At the top of the page, there is an option to categorize the type of visit, like to meet the director, staff or student, and that can be filtered by date option. You can filter the details. In all pages, you can see the export option for converting the list page into Excel, PDF and print format, and search option is also included. Next we are moving to calls module. Here you can see the same format in the previous pages. Add phone info option is there. By using this, you can enter the field like type of calling, name, address, phone number, purpose of calling, date, and the details can be viewed in the phone list page. Next module is general enquiry module. Here we manage the enquiry details through add and general enquiry option. You can enter the add enquiry details and that can be viewed in the general enquiry list page. The details are filtered through filter by date option. Then next module is courier service, in which you have 2 options: courier sent and courier received. In courier sent, you can enter the send details. The various fields are to, address, content, courier receipt, number and date. In courier received option, enter the received details and also that can be viewed in the list. Coming to next module, that is calendar planning. In calendar planning, you can enter the various programming conducting date by the department and that can be displayed on the calendar in the dashboard.
Next module is staff module. In staff module, you have 6 submodules: registration, manage attendance, month-wise attendance report, staff relieving report, and staff payroll management. Firstly, the registration module. Registration module, on the right side of the screen you can see the add new staff link. By clicking that link, the registration form will be displayed in the pop-up format. After filling all the details, click add staff button so that new details will be displayed in the list page. In the list page also have the option for filtering the staff details based on department. Then edit and delete the details. Next option in staff module is manage attendance. In manage attendance module, the staff attendance can be viewed by selecting the date, month, year and department. Click the manage staff attendance. It displays the details according to the department. In the fields in the staff details list page are staff code, name, FN status, AN status, reason for leave, leave status. In FN and AN status, we have the option for selecting present or absent, and leave status have the options casual or on duty. So it makes easy to manage the staff attendance details. Then next module is month-wise attendance report. Here you can view the details based on the department, year, month, selected based on the manage attendance module. Then generate report, you can view the details. When present status is signed in by press P and casual leave is CL, leave status is L. Then also check the details of total working days, total present, total absentees. The next module is staff relieving. In staff relieving module, you can view the relieving staff details using the staff code. Then you can view the staff relieving details: name, staff name, job type, designation, date of joining, image, and also the two text field, date of leaving and reason for leaving. Here you can enter the details and then generate. Then next is staff relieving report. Here you can view the relieving staff details. Next module, staff payroll management. Here you can see the staff details by department wise. For example, you can select the English department, then filter. You can view the staff details of English department. It also have the option for generate payslip and view payslip of the staff. In generate payslip, you can enter the payment details of the corresponding staff, and then the entered details will be displayed in the view payslip option. Next module is department. It has 4 submodules: department details, course, fees and subject. In department details, you can manage the department details. You have 2 options: department list and add department. Through add department option, you can enter the details such as department name, department short code. Then you can choose the option for department type as academic or non-academic. then submit add department. Now the entered details will be displayed in the list page. Here you can view the details. The list page also have the option for edit delete the details. Then next is course module. Here you can see two options like course list and add course. Add course option, you can enter the course details in which the fields are department name, set as select option, course name, course short code, and course duration set as select option. Then add course. In the course list option, you can view the details. Also have the option for edit delete the details. Next is fees module. By using this module, you can manage the course fees separated by each semester, in which you can see add fee option. Here you can firstly select the course name and enter the fees for each semester. When click add fees option, you can view the fees details for each semester depending on course in the course fee structure option. Next is subject module. This module is used to manage the subject details. From here we get the details like course wise subjects, their subject codes, subject component, subject mode, semester, minimum and maximum mark for internal and external, and also the option for edit delete included. The new subject can be included with add subject option, and filter by option is there. According to this option, you can filter the details using course, semester. Next is subject module. This module is used to manage the subject details. From here we get the details like course wise subject, their subject code, subject component, subject mode, semester, minimum and maximum mark for internal, external, and also the option for edit delete the details. The new subject can be included with add subject option, and then the filter by option is there. It filters according to course and semester.
Next module is examination module. In examination module there are mainly 6 sub-modules. They are exam grades, mark entry, student internal report, student overall internal report, class-wise consolidated report, subject-wise report. First we are going to exam grade module. In exam grade module, it manages the details about grades. It will contain the details like academic year, grade name, starting grade point, ending grade point, mark from, mark up to, comment and status. Add option is there to include new grade details. We can enter the detail and then click add grade button so that new details will be listed in the grade list. Then next sub-module is mark entry. By selecting appropriate department, course, then semester, subject, year, division, then manage the entry, then we get the corresponding details of the student. From that we can edit and enter the mark and grades, then save. Third sub-module is student internal report. This module helps to generate internal mark report. By entering student code, semester, exam and year, we can retrieve the details and take the printout of the report using print option. The report will contain the details of subject name, maximum mark and grade, obtained grade and status. Next module is student overall internal report. Here we can generate overall internal report by entering student code, semester and year. The report generated will be having the details of marks of first and second internals, overall grade point and status. Next, fifth submodule is class-wise consolidated report. Here, by selecting department, submodule is class-wise consolidated report. Here, by selecting department, course, division, semester and year, we can generate the report of specific class. The details will be having the grade detail, grade point, grade, etc. Then final module is subject-wise report. There is an option to generate the report on subject. Here we select the department, course, the semester, subject, select the year, then division and exam. Using search option we can retrieve the details, name of the student, obtained mark and grade point according to their subjects.
Next is transport module. In transport module we have 4 submodules: routes, vehicles, vehicle allotment, fee collection. The route submodule manages the routes. It will be having route list. List includes route name and also options, edit delete option is there, stops. Then there is add option to add route into the list, and add option for stop is also there. Here you can enter the route name selected and stop name, bus fare, then adds route. The vehicle submodule. Next is the vehicle submodule. Vehicle submodule manages the details about vehicles like number of vehicle, register number, route name and also the option for edit delete the details. Then here you can add the vehicle using add vehicle option, in which you can select the route and add number of vehicle, register number. Then the entered details can be viewed in the vehicle list. Then in vehicle allotment submodule, it manages the details of vehicle allocation. It includes the details of vehicle number, passenger, name, ID, route, stop, fare, join date and options for edit delete the details. Then next is here also the option for allot vehicle. Here you can allot the vehicle. The fields are vehicle number, stop and passenger, student or staff code, join date, then add. It will be displayed in the vehicle allotted list. Next is fee collection submodule. Here we have the details of passenger name, ID, fare, end date and options for edit delete, in which the add pay fee option. By using this you can enter the passenger, either student or staff, and then student or staff code, fare, end date, then submit. It will be displayed in the transport fees option. And the details can be filtered using filter by option. Here you can filter the staff or student and the date range. Next is fee module. It has 2 submodules, fee payment and fee report. In fee payment, by simply entering the student code, we can retrieve the payment of the specific student. Then the fee form will be displayed. You can print the fee form. Then next is fee report module. We can generate the fee reporting by specifying the from and to date, bill number, student code, course details like course, division, semester, details of the student. Also print option is there to generate printout. and also edit delete the details of the specific student. Next is alumni module. Here we keep the details of the student who got TC from the institution. Details like name, department, course, academic year, address, email, phone, and photo are kept so that it could be used for future use. We included search and print options. Then next is SMS module. The module enables to compose an SMS and deliver it to corresponding person who can be a student, staff or parent.
Our next module is Daybook account. In this module we have two sub-modules, expense and finance report. First going to first sub-module, expense. Here we have to include the expense category list first through add new expense category option. Suppose new category can be named as new, then add expense category button. The new item will be displayed on the expense category list as new. New 2. Like the same way we can add daily expense. First select the category, then date, then amount, then remark, then add expense. Then that can be displayed on the daily expense list. Here we also have an option to filter by date, so that by selecting the date we can filter the details of the expenses accordingly. Suppose we are going to select June 6th as from date, 6th as from date, and to date as August 6th, then filter, we will get the details of expenses between these dates. Next, our submodule is finance report. Finance report is basically used to generate the finance report. Here first we have to give the filter by date option. We have to give the date, from date and to date, then filter, then we will get the corresponding details or expenses. The finance report will generate the details about the prospectus, salary of staffs, bus fees that can be of staffs or student, and finally the student tuition fee.